Once again, see the sum. A is selling a bicycle to B and B is selling a cycle to C. A is selling to B and B is selling to C for a profit of 20% and C is selling for a profit of 5%. Now, here we have to write that one. What is this rupees is given? That is given that one's SP. SP of cycle, SP of bicycle for C is equal to rupees 3780 at a profit of 5%. From this one, what we have to find? Cost price. CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SP. According to this formula, we have to find. Using that, substituting the formula, CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus 5 into 3780, which is equal to 100 by 115,105 into 3780. Cancellation in 5 table 21 times, 20 times. 21 table 1 time 8 times, 180 times. That is 3600. 3600. Which will become that one? 3600. 3600. 3600. Now, here we have to write that one sum that will change as in this question. This is CP got for us is as in the form of the cost price. So, writing here this CP of C is equal to rupees 3600. Rupees 3600. The cost price will become as rupees 3600. And again this cost price will become as now the selling price. Cost price will become as selling price. Now CP changes as SP. Why? Because now the CP will changes as SP. Why? Because this C is not using that one. He is taking from B. So from B onwards he is taking. So cost price will become as selling price. Using that formula and a profit of 20%. The same formula we have to use for cost price. Now CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SP. Substituting the formula. CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus 20 into 3600. Into 3600. Cost price is equal to 100 by 120 into 3600. 0, 0 cancel. 12 table. 1 time, 3 times, 30. Therefore, cost price is equal to 3000. The cost price is 3000. The cost price is 3000. The cost price is 3000. Cost price is equal to 3000 rupees. The cost price will become as 3000 rupees. Once again, see this full sum. A is giving to B, B is giving to C with a profit of 20%, for C is having the profit of 5%. So SP will change as now. So first one he is taking that one, paying that one. So it will become only SP. In this one it is changed as CP. Why it will change as CP means because he is giving for another one. So always that shopkeeper, what shopkeeper will gains, that is called CP. What customer will take is called SP. So write this sum. And here is the next sum. A grocer purchased 80 kgs of rice at 27 rupees per kg. A grocer purchased 80 kgs of rice and mixed with 120 kgs of rice at 32 per kg. At what price should sell mixture to gain 16%? A grocer means a shopkeeper. A shopkeeper purchased 80 kgs rice and 120 kgs rice. 80 kgs rice is at what cost? 120 rupees rice is at one cost. So 80 rupees price is cost is for 27 rupees per kg. 120 rupees is for 32 kg. So at what price should the sell mixture to gain 16% per kg? 1 kg rice if he sold the mixture, how much money he will get? We have to find that once. So for that one solution, we are writing the solution for that once. Writing of solution. So cost of 80 kgs rice is equal to 80 into 27. In the bracket write it as given 27 per kg. Rupees 27 per kg. Rupees 27 per kg. So that is multiplication 0. 7 8s are 56. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5 21. 2160. Cost of 120 kgs rice is equal to 120 into 32. Where onwards I got 32? From this one. This 32 rupees per kg. Given rupees 32 per kg. Now multiplication using the 12 table 0. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 2 38. 3840. That is 3840. How much is that means? Cost of that rupees is total cost is equal to 2160 plus 3840. That is 0 0 0 1 6. Total cost is 6000 rupees. Total weight is equal to 80 kgs plus 120 kgs is 200 kgs. The total weight is 200 kgs. Now what we have to find from this sum? They told to find the cost of 1 kg per rice. 1 kg and he is selling for that one. So profit on CP is equal to 6000. The cost price will become 6000. Profit percentage is equal to 16%. Now profit percentage is equal to 16%. Profit percentage is equal to 16%. SP is equal to per kg. They asked in kg. SP is equal to how much? Per kg. Now we are writing the one SP formula. Percentage formula means biggest one we have to write. The biggest one formula is 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. Into CP. Writing of the formula. Now substituting in the formula. We have to substitute in the formula. Substituting in the formula. SP is equal to 100 plus 16 by 100 into 6000. Now selling price is equal to 116 by 100 into 6000. Cancellation 0 0 0 0. 16 116 into 16. 116 into 16 is 16 table. I am using that one 6 table. 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. 6 1s are 6. So it will become as 6960. That is 6960. How much it is means 6960. Here up to here sum is not completed. Only the cost of that thing is came. Only the cost of thing. Now I am writing here C once. Rubbing that question and I am writing here. Now SP of 200 kgs. SP of 200 kg is equal to 6960 rupees. SP of 200 kg is equal to 6960 rupees. We want SP of 1 kg rice is equal to 6960 by 200 0. Directly cancellation decimal form, changing to decimal form using that 20 table I am doing cancellation. That is 34.80 rupees. 34.80. This is answer for this sum. Once again look at the board. This sum everybody. A shopkeeper bought 80 kgs of rice with one cost, that is 2160, and 120 kgs of rice for 32 rupees, that is 3840. Now he is taking that one. Total cost of that is 6000. Total cost of it is 200. This one they want to sell for profit of 16%. He want to sell the profit of 16%. Using the 16% SPA per kg, he is given SPA formula. Substituting in the formula, we got that one 6960 is the 200 kgs rice cost. Now we have to write that one only 1 kg rice cost. The cost of 1 kg rice is equal to 3434 rupees 80 pice. 34 rupees 80 pice. So copy that sum.